all electric and hybrid vehicle I make, and battery recharging. And before today coming this car, hybrid, Hyundai Tucson 23-24 model. Before not start the car, I will make charge battery and then fixing the problem this car. See, I've changed charge this battery before not charging. I make this. Now is car ready. See is here. Car now is ready, and all electric cars and yeah, I see is an electric car here, Volkswagen, and also I make this car. Before cannot was start this car. Now is the Tucson. His problem is the hybrid, and then the charge the battery. I make all solutions there, and then Sonata. This is 23 model hybrid we have here, and plug-in Mercedes. See, is plug-in hybrid, and also Mercedes electric is there. I make bullet recharge this recharging automatic. Then that one GLC 350E, and other car have here. That is ES 300, also hybrid. Yes, nothing there. So cars, all cars are repairing now. So electric cars, and then that was rear battery. Make the charging is there, and for Mercedes, so everything in good condition. Okay, then now this is charging here.